Alright, hey guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Sarvind, and today I am going to tell you about some lights that I use in my editing setup. So you can easily see there is a change in my setup. Like this light is new, and these two lights are new, and a small camera on my screen is new. So I'm going to tell you about these light. I got this light from Govi company, and thanks a lot for Govi company to providing me these light and reviewing about this on my YouTube channel as well. And on there is a post on Instagram you can also check out and tell me about how much you like that photo. So so these are the lights that I got from Govi company. First is Govi Flow Pro. So this is Govi Flow Pro. You can easily see these two like bar. So these are Govi Flow Pro, and this is Govi Glide Wall Light. You can see this here like this. So these light are so amazing that it can produce any color you want. A setup like of red color, orange color, or something like anything moving like this. This is sci-fi like look, so I am giving to my editing setup. So these light come with a special app in your Android and as well as iOS app. You can easily install. I will be putting link in the description for this app. You can easily control any color on these lights. So I'm going to change some light like if you want to change glide wall light like this wall light. So I want to change that whole color to red. Like I will be selecting all and hitting red. So now you can see there is whole red color on this light bar. And if I want to change it to green or yellow or something like white, if you want like prefer white color, you can also get easily white. And there is warm tone and cold white also. So like switching this to warm and switching this to cold white. So this is very helpful app for just creating your videos and creating some like lightning effect, easy light effect. And there is some cool thing like you can change. You can easily like switch from app like Siren. These light come with sound sensitive function also, and it also work with Google Alexa and Google Mini and like any other app you are using. These light come with sound sensitivity like this. I am speaking and just notice that in background the light of wall light color is changing, so it is reacting to my audio also. So now let's talk about Flow Pro. So these light are good for gaming. When you are watching something like TV shows or Netflix, you can use this light and for getting a total immersion in the movie. From this camera you can easily create the same color in the background of your like computer screen or laptop screen and get a total immersion of your movie or game you are doing or playing something. You can get a total full immersion. When you speak, these moves, and when you stop, these don't move. So you can easily notice this, and this is a very special feature. If you are like creative or some artist person, you can prefer want to buy this light. I will be putting a link in the description, and there will be a special discount on November 27, and these light will be available for $79.99, and you can easily get this. This is like around 50% off on these light, and these are very amazing for your like editing setup or gaming setup or like movie watching setup. You can easily use this light anywhere and it work flawlessly.